Modern women have been given unnecessary power in so many ways, and one of them is the no-fault divorce law. Many men have been thrown into disarray due to no-fault divorce.
I don't know if I should divorce him. He's such a nice guy, and he hasn't cheated on me. But you're clearly not happy. But if I leave him, people might think I'm a bad person. And I don't really have a legal reason to get divorced. You don't need permission or a legal reason to get divorced. That's what no-fault divorce means. You're an adult. If you want a divorce, you can simply file for a divorce, and the courts will respect that request. Really? What a relief.
So it's a new day, and you know what that means. Republicans have found yet another thing that they want to do away with, and that is no-fault divorce. In the past 3 weeks, 5 states have introduced laws to outlaw no-fault divorce. For those of you who don't know, until relatively recently, the only way for a woman to push for divorce from their husband was if the man was at fault in some way. In many situations, the woman had to prove that he cheated on her or had an affair to get a divorce, or that he was physically abusive. Men, on the other hand, have always been able to have no-fault divorce and leave their wives. So states gave everybody the right to a no-fault divorce. But now Republicans are saying they don't like that. And they're saying that the only reason that a woman should be able to leave their husband is once again proving that he is at fault in some way, citing either abuse or an affair. So in conclusion, they want to go back to the days where women are forced to remain married to men that they don't want to be married to. I'm pretty sure there's a word for that.
Why has nobody asked this woman if these women in question were forced to marry their husbands in the first place? What is wrong with these modern women? How many men have divorced their wives because they just feel they are tired of her? It's not surprising to see that modern women are angry at the throwing out of the no-fault divorce. Why are they angry, if I may ask? This is just because their hypocrisy has been unveiled. Modern women are damaged and messed up. Before we proceed in the video, what is a no-fault divorce? No-fault divorce is a legal concept that enables couples to end their marriage without the need for evidence that one partner violated the terms of the union. Instead, it is based solely on showing that there are irreconcilable differences between the partners, or by simply declaring that you are sick of your marriage and want to end it. The spouse receiving the divorce petition cannot object to the other party's petition for a no-fault divorce. The court can view that objection itself as an irreconcilable difference. So basically, a spouse can go to court and ask for a divorce and just present a list of reasons, like dissatisfaction and unhappiness, and just show that the marriage is irretrievably broken, unlike the fault divorce, when a spouse can only file for divorce based on matrimonial offenses like adultery, physical or emotional abuse, and the spouse can object and disprove fault by presenting a defense if they are not guilty. The no-fault divorce has been present in the U.S. for over 60 years, and now Texas GOP has taken one of the first steps to bring an end to this, leaving just 17 states in the U.S. running the no-fault law, while some others are looking to take the steps as well. And why the story is more interesting is because 70% of divorce in the U.S. is initiated by women, and it goes higher to 90% in college-educated women. As I have said earlier, the reason why modern women are angry is because the abolishment of the no-fault divorce has shed light on the games and gimmicks they play in marriage. Modern women have said the reason why they think no-fault divorce is necessary and should not be abolished is that it has given women the privilege to get out of marriage when they do not feel satisfied and they are unhappy. How ridiculous is this? Modern women have brought so much disdain to marriage and marriage vows where they said, for better or worse, means nothing to them. Modern women are so irresponsible in their approach to marriage because they have a way out of the marriage if things don't go as they want, thanks to no-fault divorce. The response of modern women to no-fault divorce has again reaffirmed the beliefs of men, as regards the fact that women use divorce for selfish gains, which means marriage, basically to women, is a get-rich-quick scheme. The game they have always been playing is marrying and dumping, known as divorce Ponzi. And when a woman says the reason she is asking for a divorce is so that she can find herself and she is not happy, it's all lies, especially when they have not signed a prenup. So it is safe to say that women have been using marriage as an empowerment program. Modern women hunt for men, get married, and then strike with divorce when they observe their husband has gotten to a stage where they know what he possesses or how much he makes and could settle them for life, or some years before they get the next victim. They ask for a divorce without proof of infidelity because the court tells them that through no-fault divorce, they can bail out on him just based on emotional reasons that cannot be justified. Now, this will be the direction of things after the no-fault divorce is abolished, which is a heartache for modern women because their folly has been exposed. 1. The number of modern women getting married will reduce because, unlike before, they could divorce their husbands with no proof of infidelity or abuse. 2. Women who are in marriage or planning to get married will know the era of being irresponsible and indifferent to the success of their marriage is over, meaning you cannot just use a good man anymore and dump him after if he does not cheat on it or maltreat you. You can't go anywhere. You have to make things work. I have seen countless videos of modern women reacting to the news of shutting down the no-fault divorce in Texas and the attention of other states towards it. Many of them have given reasons why they are mad about it and why it should be protected.
This comment reads, okay, but what if the spouse isn't abusive? What if they're loving and caring and she just gets bored? It happens all the time. What about it? I don't care if you think you are the most loving, caring person on this planet. Legitimately, who do you think you are? And what makes you think you have the right to force another human being to remain married to you when they don't want to be? This is exactly why no-fault divorce needs to be protected.
Some have also said it is not right to keep a woman in marriage if she is not happy. This indicates that society has created highly irresponsible and selfish women who have nothing to offer in marriage other than to take from it. I perceive that the majority of women on this side of the argument are divorced, broken, and unhappy. Most especially, they are damaged. This is one more reason why men are not wrong for going their own way and avoiding marriage. I was having this discussion with my friends, and one of my friends, who pays about $3,000 per month on child support, said men should be careful with these modern women. He said they are after the benefits of marriage rather than the companionship. They are very desperate. He mentioned that a woman can stay years with a man just to take a large chunk of everything that man has built. This has always been the truth, and what the overturning of no-fault divorce has achieved will do is take away the power of women to cart away with men's resources freely and unhindered. Finally, if these modern women are leaving marriage truly because they are not happy and unsatisfied, aside from the fact that this is a very dumb reason and excuse, they should stop asking for alimony or property division. They should stick to the goal of the no-fault divorce, which is not assigning blame to any partner, and move on with their lives. It is not too much to ask in return from these ungrateful women. That's all for today on Latest Juice. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my previous videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, click the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. Share this video with whomever you would like to watch it. Thanks for watching.